REDDY Laboratories Q3 result profit fall 14% YoY to reach 1,210 crore, revenue up 4%. Reddy Laboratories reported a 14% YoY drop in Q3 net profit to reach 1,210 crore, even as revenue rose 4% to reach 8,727 crore. Lower margin and a 12% decline in North America sales weighted on performance party, offset by strong growth in India, Europe, and emerging markets. Pharma major Dr. Reddy Laboratories on Wednesday reported a 14% year-on-year slump in its consolidated net profit at $1,210 crore in the third quarter, while revenue grew 4% YoY to reach 8,727 crore. Gross profit for the quarter under review fell 5% YoY to reach 4,681 crore, while margin declined to 53.6% from 58.7% a year earlier. We continue to focus on this disciplined execution of our strategic priorities of business growth, pipeline advancements, operational efficiencies, and selected inorganic opportunity to create long-term value for our stakeholders, said co-chairman and MD GV Prasad. The North America business was a major drag on the earnings, even as Europe and India segments reported healthy growth, and revenue from North America fell 12% YoY to reach 2,964 crore. Europe revenues, on the other hand, increases 20% YoY to reach 1,448 crore. The India business clocked robust growth during the third quarter, with revenue rising 19% YoY to reach 1,603 crore. The emerging market growth was the best of loss of 32% YoY. Pharma and API growth remained the substitute as revenues fell 2% YoY to reach 802 crore. In the North America business, the company saw the first to market launch of the alpidonate hydrochloride ophthalmic solution on field biological divis application, BLA for alphabet, biosimilar for the intravenousal IV presentation in India. Dr. Reddy launches Hevixin and novel recombinant vaccine for the prevention of hepatitis E virus infection in has also received marketing. Or on Wednesday, Dr. Reddy share closed on 0.9% lower at just 1,156 on NSE. और आप लोगों ने देखा, आज आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर रहा है, आप लोगों ने देखा जो डॉक्टर रेड्डीज लेबोरेटरीज के बारे में आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर रहा है, और आप लोगों ने सभी देख पा रहा है जो डॉक्टर रेड्डी लेबोरेटरीज की Q3 रिजल्ट प्रॉफिट फॉल्स 14% YoY to reach 1,210 crore, revenue up 4%. Revenue up 4%. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो डॉक्टर रेड्डीज लेबोरेटरीज रिपोर्टेड ए 14% YoY drop in Q3 net profit to reach 1,210 crore, even as revenue rose 4% to reach 2,727 crore, lower margin and a 12% decline in North America. Sale weightage on performance party offset by strong growth in India, Europe and emerging market. Or pharma major Dr. Reddy Laboratories on Wednesday report a 14% year-on-year YOY slump in its consolidated net profit at res 1,210 crore in third quarter, while revenue grew 4% YOY to res 8,727 crore. Or gross profit for the quarter under review fell 5% YOY to rest 4,681 crore, while margin declined to 53.6% from 58.7% a year earlier. We continue to focus on disciplined execution of our strategies, priorities of based business growth, pipelines advancement, operational efficiencies, and selected economic opportunity to create long-term value for our stakeholders, said co-chairman and MD GB Prasad. Or the North America business was major drags on the earning event as Europe and Indian segment reported healthy growth. Revenue from North America fell 12% YOY to reach 2,964 crore. Europe revenues, on the other hand, increased 20% YOY to reach 1,448 crore. The Indian business robust growth during the third quarter with revenue rising 19% YOY to reach 1,603 crore. The emerging market growth was the best of the lot, a 32% YOY. Pharma and API growth remains subdued. A revenue fell 2% YOY, reached 802 crore.